Hi, my name is Bob and I'm part of the team at the Brendale store. With winter coming on, it's nothing better than having a fire, and to help you with that, Darche have released their brand new stainless steel barbecue pit. Essentially, it all folds flat, and to quickly build it, basically you have a solid base plate there, of which is ideal for sand or softer conditions. Your barbecue grill simply opens up and then clips into position around the base plate. Then have a little cast iron trivet that sits inside of there, and from there you can stack your timber inside of it. All the ash then falls down and funnels down into your base plate. It also has a grill that sits on top of it, so basically there's 3 different height adjustments to it depending on the type of cooking you'd like to do, and that just simply clips into place as such. And then a barbecue grill tray sits onto the top. Excellent little piece of gear, folds flat and all ends up in a nice little polyester carry bag. So after use, it's not leaving dirt everywhere all over the place. So if you're out and about to any of our convenient locations, pop in and have a look at the Darche Stainless Steel BBQ 450. Also available in the smaller size as well.